and Guerin will transfer the orbiter boom sensor system back to the shuttle from its temporary location on the station's truss, where it was stored during the last shuttle mission. The two spacewalkers also will conduct further inspection of a damaged solar array joint that enables the starboard solar arrays to rotate and follow the sun. Fossum and Guerin will demonstrate techniques that may be used to help clean contamination from the joint's rotating ring. The crew will then prepare the Kibo module for its removal from the shuttle payload bay. Later that day, Hoshi-Day will install the module on the port or left side of the Harmony connecting module. On Flight Day 6, Fossum and Guerin will install covers and external television equipment on Kibo and remove covers from the module's new robotic arm. The first section of Kibo, the Japanese logistics module, was carried to orbit during STS-124 in March and installed in a temporary parking place on top of Harmony in preparation for delivery of the main Kibo lab during STS-124. On Flight Day 7, Nyberg and Hoshi-Day will relocate the Japanese logistics module to its permanent position on Kibo, using the space station robotic arm. On Flight Day 9, Fossum and Guerin will participate in what is expected to be a truly spectacular spacewalk as they work to replace a depleted nitrogen tank on the station's starboard truss used to pressurize station cooling systems. Guerin will grasp the 550-pound tank while attached to the end of the space station robotic arm. Then, Nyberg will maneuver the arm in a windshield wiper move, carrying Guerin and the tank on a panoramic trip as far as the station arm can reach to a stowage platform on the other end of the outpost, called ESP-3.
So this maneuver right here takes about 20 minutes, and on the top here I'll be almost 100 feet above the station, looking straight down on the aft side of the station and the Earth 250 miles below. So it'll be a pretty spectacular view and a pretty spectacular ride.
Guerin will then take a new nitrogen tank and reverse course, moving from the storage platform back to the starboard truss for its installation and activation.
We tend to get a lot of the accolades, but there are a lot of people that are behind the scenes that are certainly as critical as we are to the success of this mission.
There are people who train us, people who actually manufacture the module, the orbiter, doing work down at the Cape, all the flight controllers here at Johnson Space Center, as well as in Scuba Space Center, who's working really hard, long hours.
Everywhere you go, every center you go, if you go to the subcontractors, everybody from the people that are turning the bolts and the nuts and to the people who are designing things, you could see it in their eyes. You could see how excited they are to be a part of it, because really it's an amazing accomplishment what is being achieved on the ISS through this construction.
This is Mission Control Houston. A look at the